Hello guys, today's 7th of June 2023 and the forecast for today. And market is open and we will expect some moves hopefully uh, during the stock exchange, US stock exchange opening hours very soon. And let's see what's going on with gold. What's the analysis for gold? Going to Forex Factory as usual. Uh, for 7th of March, we can see that we haven't got any heavy impact in US dollar. However, there's a news on CAD at 3 p.m. It might affect the market and because it's an interest rate for SCAD, and we're expecting the same interest rate as it was previous. As far as the rest of the news is concerned, there's no major news today. Sam, tomorrow, we got unemployment claims, gold. That's major news tomorrow, and Friday we got CAD impact news. So for this week, not many news apart from tomorrow, and but today there's no heavy impact apart from CAD. Normally we expect some new. We normally are interested in news in USD, which directly affects gold. But however, CAD may make some impact. But let's see. Let's see. Right, now going to the charts. Instead of going direct to gold, as I told you before, guys, Dixie, the movement of Dixie impacts gold price. Why? Because Dixie is US dollar index, and if you want me to make a video on that, explaining US dollar index, then I can do that. But normally, what they do, they go on opposite direction. So you can see the gold is coming down and Dixie is going up. Both 5-minute charts. 5 minute, and this is 5 minute as well. And 1H. In 1H, you can see that one going up, one going down. The gold going down and Dixie going to the upside. What that means? We can expect the movement up to here, this level, and this movement we can see, we can up to this level, and so on. And once this is broken, we can expect in gold, we can expect this movement, we've got this level, we've got this level, and this level in Dixie. So this is situation, it is straightforward. However, if there's an unexpected news comes or something happens in the market, we can see some further movements. So that's where the market stands, that we have our levels, and we know when these levels are broken, we can expect some movements, whether in Dixie or gold. Level trading is a very good thing. It's a great thing to trade on levels. If you understand that trading on levels, you can earn good living. I hope this is helpful, and that's it for now. You have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.